Welcome to my Son de Front. Today I have a few packages that I want to open, and because I kind of have a sore throat, I woke up with a sore throat. Like literally, one side of my throat's swollen. But I'm gonna make a recipe video, so check that out later. Be sure to check back at the channel later and get that recipe. So let's open this first one. And I was thinking about Mother's Day when I ordered some of this stuff, but some of it is actually for me because I've been working on my necklaces and I needed one more chain. So the first thing I bought was perfume, and I have a lot of perfume, so I was like, I have a lot of perfume left, so I'm gonna put this one for Mother's Day. So I'll just I'll just keep that off to the side. Make sure nothing else is in there. So I'll keep that there, like here or here. That's the whole point, right? Okay. And then let's get this little one open. Let's see. Hey. Ooh. Oh, and if you want to excuse my language last night, like I literally had a lot of fun in the weekend, and I don't know why I was so kind of like, when people stay on you for like bully you for a long time, like over a period of time, you get kind of grow a callus and you kind of want to be on their level. And I think that's what hit me, and I was tested to my limit last night. So excuse me for that. But I'm not going to apologize to whoever, that chump was. Like, whoever, she knows who she is. And for the most part, she was just waiting to publicly humiliate me and do it in the publics. Because a lot of times, she sits there and lies on people and says that we're the problem. And actually, if you notice, she attacked everybody in the room. We are obviously not the problem. So the first thing I bought was this cute little chain that I wanted. But now I don't know so much that I really want it because it's so tiny. I don't think I want it. But it has like a little pendant. So this will probably go with Mother's Day too. It has a little pendant. I'm just going to check it out because I haven't checked it out at all. And the pendant, let me see what it says. The pendant says reputation on it. So I thought that was a cute little charm. So I don't know. Yeah, it'll do. But I'll just keep the little bag for mom and put whatever this is in there, I guess. So this is earrings, and these are rose earrings. They're in yellow gold. So if you can see them, they're kind of small. So they're not like really big and, out there. And these are good for, just to wear whatever. And I hope she likes them. And then here's a chain. And this chain is really cute. It's like, it's actually a set. If you can see, it's a set. It comes with a starburst. And it's in turquoise with the Tree of Life on it. Pendants, both at the wrist and at the neck. And the cable is like a cable necklace. So it's got beads and charms too, and it matches. So I got these earrings for it, and then I also got something else. So this is for Mother's Day, guys. This isn't like, I was already thinking of the future. Of course, like, she'd have to come and get the Mother's Day gift. I didn't even think of that. Details, like details, details. Oh my goodness. I didn't even think of that. Like, I'd have to go down and give it to her, or she'd have to come up and get it. Like, so here is the, I think this is the bracelet. Let's see. Oh no, these are the earrings that I picked out for myself. You see that? These are freaking huge. They're really gorgeous. Now these are so big, like I'm kind of backing out of wearing them. And I don't mean to do that. Like, I always do that, and I don't mean to do that. But one thing I noticed is that this cute little gem in the middle is kind of a, like, it's like a cute color that's kind of opaque, and it's like a darker color, so it makes it look really, really vintage, like antique jewelry. I love antique jewelry. It's the most classiest jewelry. I think this will go for Mother's Day too. So I'll just open this and put it in the box. This can go in the box, just like that. And then I'll put these in and close it. And I'll put these in here if it fits. I like for her presents to look cute, so it doesn't look like I just bought stuff and threw it together. And then I'll just close this like that. So far we're doing good. This is mine. I have two more. So this one has bubble gum. This is Trident gum. This is pretty inexpensive gum. It's like 3 something for a pack of 3. So they're like $1 something each. And of course I got my Gatorades. These are Gatorade Zero. And they're 0 cal. And they're pretty inexpensive for about $7 with coupon. And this is a bracelet. So this bracelet, I think it's cute. Actually, I'm not sure if it fits in here. That way I have everything. Do you see that? It's just all beads and silver wire. It's a lot of bead work. And I just want to put it in here. That way everything gets like a little package. It works. And then I'll close that. So that way she has a little tiny little jewelry gift set and some perfume. Then for me, I bought pre-workout. This is Nitro Surge in the flavor Blue Raspberry. This is pre-workout, so I'll be using this before I work out. It is betaine anhydrous, beta-alanine, L-citrulline, creatine, caffeine, L-theanine, ATP, and estrogen. So this one contains a creatine. So this is before workout. Like, I think what I'll do is like on my like second, I guess my second dose instead, I'll just drink this. And then, oh, I forgot to tell you the price. The price was $16, I think, with the coupon. It was pretty low. Sometimes I find like Jack, is it called Jack Factory? They have really good prices. So right now they're having a good, like a sale on what I use is called Burn XT Max. They have a really nice sale on that. You guys want to check it out? I'm not sure. Last night it was on sale. So if it's still on sale, go ahead and get it. It's worth it. So I found this outfit, but this looks huge. This is supposed to be a size 4. And this is part of their collection for breast cancer awareness. Just so you're wondering, like, why do they have so much pink? Like, they have pink belts, beanies, and these pants and tops, so you can support breast cancer awareness. So no, these look like they'll fit. I'm not even tripping. They were literally $5. You see that? And they do need a belt. So I didn't get the belt, but the belt, I think they had a black one for $5. And they're just Dickies work pants. And they're really cute. And so as you guys know, I do dress for my shows in clothes that kind of resembles my my story or my backstory or my origin story, like just so we all know. Either I dress in streetwear, or I dress in different clothes that kind of tells my story without me having to tell it. And a lot of times I get crap for it. They're like, oh, well, you're a problem, you're a troublemaker, or you're the scarlet letter. And I'm like, I'm actually trying to help people if you just give me a chance and not be prejudiced. And that's kind of the situation that I like to talk about with our leaders and stuff about prison reform. And so I mean, it goes to show you that it trickles down into the civilians, to where even if they found themselves in a situation such as I did, to where they were just alleged and ended up in incarceration, you know what I mean? There's going to be a stigma when you come out, and they don't realize that if those type of people listen to my story, I can actually affect a lot of lives in a positive way if they gave me that chance. But that's why I'm here. So this is just a regular Dickies top. Just looks like, you know, a regular shoes. So I just went ahead and purchased it because it was $5. So these are like baggy clothes, which I don't mind. I wasn't kind of fitting in on TikTok, as you know. Uh, the Red Pill's kind of known for dressing a little bit up to par rather than dressing down and toning down and kind of dumbing down our lifestyle. We're more known for dressing, kind of nicer and being more, seen. And then I don't know, I don't know what to tell you, but people were kind of pointing at it and kind of telling me in the nice way, but I didn't get it until one day um I realized that nobody was wearing dresses and I was the only one wearing dresses, and everybody was in their bed going doing battles. Everybody was in their bed in the blankets, um just doing their show their live stream, and I was the only one in my chair, you know and I don't have a gamer chair because I'm not gaming at this point. But I'm in my desk, at my desk. I'm the only one at my desk. I'm the only one, you know what I mean, dressed a little bit more conservative and you know, in full face makeup and a hairstyle, and everybody else is kind of, you know, just kind of rummaging through the fridge and like kind of, like lounging around and sitting on the couch and just, not really caring what's going on in their environment. And so I kind of felt a little bit out of place, and I wasn't touching base at all. And and people were like being nice about it on YouTube. I think people for the most part just kind of um adjust to, you know, are watching the videos as is, and kind of just kind of, how do you say, receiving us as we are. And I'm happy for that. And I hope, a lot of people kind of accept people as they are, and, continue accepting us, because, we have a lot of positivity to add and a lot of value to add to the world, period. And like this movement is very helpful. And I would like to continue it no matter what, how I do it. And if I had to get another outfit because I needed to fit in and blend in and kind of, uh, level up my game, well, I'm gonna come with my A game. And obviously, this outfit cost me $10, and it's no sweat off my behind. So obviously, I'm gonna roll up wearing the correct gear, and for the most part, I'm gonna do my job. We are here to make the red pill visible, to be loud, and to kind of give voice. And that's what I intend to do. So, thank you all for joining me today. And I'll see you on the next one. My son different. Bye bye.